my YouTube channel. Yuppie! Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell. Oh, I forgot to show my face on the, but it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm over here. Get in the bus. I hate when people are in this. I like when I'm in a private server. Oh, you guys, I have a new Roblox group, Richard and his siblings. I should change my channel name to that because this one is too long. I'm gonna change my channel name soon. Okay, so make sure you join my Roblox group, Richard and his what is it called again? Richard and his siblings. Okay, so yeah. If you don't know how to spell Richard, it's R-I-C-H-A-R-D. You know, if you don't know who my siblings are and you're new to the channel, it is Sebastian and Skylar. Those are my siblings. I was planning to use editing to make the thing, but it didn't work. Yuppie, yuppie, yup, yup, I'm dancing. Okay. Turn the switch button. Yeah, that's actually red, I think. I don't really know who that is. Wait, what if that's red blood or black? What if that was black from Rainbow Friends? Yeah, we're playing Rainbow Friends! We're playing Rainbow Friends! Rainbow Friends! Rainbow Friends! Rainbow Friends! Rainbow Friends! Why am I even singing? I don't even know. Why am I even singing? It's still the show. Yeah, look how many I have. Okay, should I buy a new box, you guys? I don't think so. Mr. Rio! Ah! Okay, what am I thinking? Should I buy another one? Because I barely have Robux now. You dare me to? Yeah, I'm doing it, you guys. Oh my god. My dad's gonna kill me if he figures out. I spend it just on this. Oh, this actually looks cool. Equipped? Yeah. Oh! Ah! I missed it! I missed it! Well, at least none of the Rainbow Friends got me. Well, I mean, Blue didn't. Oh, yeah. Everybody that dies for Blue is probably stupid. Well, not you guys. Not you guys. No, I care for you guys. I just want to make you guys happy. I know I don't have subscribers. I know I only have 4 subscribers, but I'm proud of myself. I'm proud. I didn't even get any of them. You know, yeah, that guy is stupid. You know why? Because he didn't even take that block. Wow. Okay. That was interesting. I only have 1 block. Everybody must be laughing at me like, well, this guy is 1 block. Can't you just literally see I'm standing there? I couldn't really. Now, why am I staying in my books? Okay, let's see if I could die anywhere. Is there, Blue? Is there anywhere I could die? Blue? Blue? I bet you I'm only gonna die 2 times. I bet I only die 2 times. Blue? Where are you? Yeah, I'm dead. I screamed for his name. And I'm totally... Is he... Okay. Goes this... What? Yeah, I'm in... Ah! I thought I was invisible to him. Respawn. Yeah, why is this girl just staying here? Yeah, she's taking the lazy technique. Wow, she's just taking the lazy technique. Wow. She's taking the lazy way. The lazy way. Oh, I forgot to add a... Yeah. I had an update to my thing, but just that it's because I made this video like 2 weeks ago, but I forgot to upload it to YouTube, and like I just remade it, and I just added new parts to this. So some of the parts were taken out because they're a little bit too deadly. Because I started saying deadly things like. Wait, I'm not even gonna talk about this. Wait, why was that girl running? And why does she have the same run as me? I don't like her. Yeah, she's very fun to play with. Keep door closed. Well, we just win it, sign. We just win it. Okay? Yeah. Okay, shh. 50. You guys, why is there D-door? Yeah, Mom, it's like we're praying. You see my hands are sticking out? Am I praying? I'm praying to the Lord. Yeah, I'm praying. Okay, so how did that work if there was only one in the thing? Because I only had one? What if somebody had 23 of them? Wait, I wasn't even paying attention. Well, at least I have more. Queen, Deli and the Bony, Bladly Lordy Doddy, if you try to die, oh yeah, if you wanna die, come to me, I could just kill you in a flash, in a flash. I only have 9,000 Robux left. Yeah, I don't even have Robux. I just have 9,000 Robux. Bleep, bloop, bleep, bloop, bleep. Probably when the video comes out, it'll be September 13th when the video comes out. Or like, yes. I don't even know if this video's blind. I know green is blind. Do you think we're dumb? Do you think we're dumb? She thinks we're dumb. I had to pause the video for that scene because He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! Phew. Oh my god, I thought you were gonna kill me. That's green. Friendly or deadly? He's definitely. She is blood. Yeah, I think he got me. Girl, what you doing? You guys. He's trying to kill me. Yeah, green is green going this way? I hope not. Yeah, you guys, I'm literally hungry right now. I'm gonna go ask my dad to finish food. It's just right here. Okay. I hope I don't die by glue again. At the pause. Oh, Sebastian, what are you doing? Okay, Baba, that's not a nice way to treat your little sister.
I'll brush my teeth too.
What? Why does he just do?
Leave her.
Oh, Daddy, you just made yourself in the video by talking. Sebastian. Skylar, what are you? Oh! Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, he saw that. He saw that. He saw that.
I will let you watch 10 minutes of the color uniform.
How did he not see that?
Yeah, it is your past your bedtime, but I'll let you do it if you're good, okay?
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, it's showing us where it is. It's showing us where it is.
Stop.
I'm scared. Blue just scared me right there. You guys saw that? Blue just... Wow. He just walked past me. Wow. He didn't even try to attack me. He didn't even try. Wow. Wow. You guys, I don't even know if he was trying alright. Like, it's like he wasn't trying. Okay. Meow. Because Blue's dying. Oh. Somebody's got all of them. They're probably close by. I'm probably just gonna chill here in my box, waiting for Green to kill us. Dude, are you the one that died? Are you the one that fried? Are you the one that died or fried or kid or bully? Are you the one that died in Chicken Judy?
The land far away.
Elan! She knows. She knows! I know she knows! I know she knows.
Maybe Kira.
She knows. She knows. I know she knows. I know she knows.
Maybe Kira.
Where did he go? Where did he go? Yeah.